Hey everybody, it's Peds Card Collection coming back at you with another video, and tonight we're going to be opening up the rookie card explosion box by Filmington. Really excited to get into this. Always love seeing what Filmington's got in store for the pack lineup. I did get both the regular edition and the high end. Tonight we're going to be doing the regular and then probably going to do the high end sometime later this week. So appreciate everybody tuning in, checking this video out. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever ripped into the rookie card explosion box and what you think about it. I think it's a really good product, always a great pack lineup, and gives you an opportunity to open packs that you wouldn't have otherwise. So here's the lineup. Version 56. We got 2014 Bowman Draft, 2018 Series 2, 18 Update Retail, 21 Bowman Heritage, 21 Chrome, 23 Chrome, 23 Heritage. So looking for Ohtani in 2018, 23, you guys know who we're all looking for. And then 2014, looking for guys like Trey Turner, Devers, Eloy's in that product, Schwarber. So let's get into it. And the 2014 pack is a jumbo. So high stakes there. All right, let's make the pack lineup. Hunting the bat down Acuna and the Ohtani rookies with these two packs. I think we'll save this to the end. 21 Bowman Heritage. Never opened this before. This should be a real treat. Save that towards the end as well. And then the 2014 Jumbo Draft. Maybe right before the Heritage. And then we'll do it like this. So let's get into it. Version 56, I believe I said. Rookie card explosion box, looking for Ohtani, Adley, Gunnar, Trey Turner, and many, many others. So here we go. Pack number 1, 2023 Topps Heritage Baseball. Here we go. Got a Tommy Henry, Vaughn Grisham, Bubba Thompson, Bryce Harper, and a Manny Machado. Always got to check the back for any kind of high numbers or variations. Don't think we had any in that pack, but let's get on to 2021 Topps Chrome Baseball. Looks like we got a pink refractor in the back. We got a Escobar, Cabrera, Joey Gallo, and a Tony Gonsolin on the pink. Not too shabby there. All right, next up we got a hobby pack of 2023 Topps Chrome. I did open a jumbo hobby case, and wasn't the best case, but we did pull a couple nice cards. So we got a Drew Waters Prism rookie, Jose Abreu, and a Cal Mitchell. All right, now we get into the cleanup hitter. 2014 Bowman Draft Jumbo Hobby. See if we can pull us a nice one. Not seeing anything thick, but let's see what we got. Jordan Schwartz on the first paper. Aaron Nola, that's a nice one. Jordan Montgomery, another nice one. Alex Verdugo, 3 for 3 on Major Leaguers for the first paper. Josh Hart. Let's see what we got. We got some refractors. Brian Shales, don't think he ever made it. And a Roberto Osuna. Sean Reed Foley. Mark Appel. On to the Chrome. Aaron Brown first. Mason Williams. We got a blue. So we do have a numbered card Carson Sands. It's a first Bowman too, so let's set that to the side. Cole Tucker. He's married to Vanessa Hudgens, so pretty sweet there. And let's check out this blue refractor. Max Pentecost on the first blue. It's a $3.99. Get that sleeved up. Unfortunately, he never made the bigs, but definitely a cool card to pull. All right, 2021 Bowman Heritage Baseball Hobby. Let's see what we got. Got some kind of chrome. And maybe something turned around here. So we got Emmanuel Beltre, Jose Rodriguez, Jordan Adams, Adley Rutschman. That's the black and white parallel. Followed by Brainer Bonacci. Got a Springer, Austin Wells, and not sure what this turned around card is going to be. Edbert Perez on the chrome. Nothing too crazy there, but we'll get that Adley sleeved up. And we are down to our last two packs here. 2018 Series 2 and a 2018 Update Retail Pack. You just get these sleeved up real quick. We got the Verdugo first paper. Got the Nola. And the Jordan Montgomery. All right, 2018 Series 2 Hobby. Looking for Ohtani and the bat down Acuna. Come on. Sean Newcomb. Padres. Scherzer. Got a Josh Bell. Tucker Barnhart. Tim Beckham. No Ohtani in that pack, but we got one more pack to go. 2018 Topps Update. Here we go. See if we can get some last pack magic on the Ohtani. Got a Jeremy Hellickson. Javi Baez, Stanton, Hyun-Jin Ryu. Ooh, we got a Juan Soto rookie. Take that. Juan Soto rookie on the insert. So pretty sweet card right there. Probably the best hit so far. Andy Pettit. Matt Moore. Ooh, we got a Japan's Finest of Ohtani and Ichiro. So that's actually a pretty big card. We will take that for sure. Followed by Chris Stratton. So Saved by the Bell on the 2018 Update Pack. We pulled a Soto rookie and the Ohtani and Ichiro. So let's do a little recap. Nothing too crazy, but we did get some nice inserts first, and then we got some nice rookies at the end. Got the Gonsolin, the Waters Prism, Gallo Refractor, first Montgomery, Nola, Verdugo, Pentecost Blue. We got the Adley Black and White, Japan's Finest, and the Juan Soto rookie. So that's going to do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And please consider hitting that subscribe button. Would really appreciate it. Going to be opening up the high-end edition later this week and hope to see you there. So I will catch you all on the next one. Peds Card Collection out. Take care.